Hi, welcome to Virtual Construction Assistance Weekly Tips and Tricks. Our tip for this week is about maximizing productivity in this work from home setup, Part 1. Humans are indeed sociable. Thus, working from home could sometimes become challenging for some. Due to the comfort we found at home, we get easily distracted. Now, it's important to find methods to stay productive, organized, and motivated. Let's master these three basics. First, maintain regular working hours. Keep a schedule. Set when to start working and when to call it a day. Set your alarm just like your normal habits. Find the right time of the day when you schedule meetings and when to complete tasks. Second, schedule breaks. You're not a robot. Set an alarm to remind you to go away from your screens. Don't drain your energy by sitting constantly in one place. An hour lunch with two 15-minute breaks seem to be the standard. The freedom to stop, reflect, and reset during your day can help you be less likely to experience burnout. Third, designate a workspace. Sitting beside a TV or a game console is absolutely not a good idea. Dedicate a space where you can comfortably work without a noise and distractions, and put all equipment that will be used only for work. A dedicated workspace will keep you motivated and focused. With a few adjustments, we can keep ourselves productive throughout the day. That's all for this week. See you again on the next episode of VCA Tips and Tricks.